Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA X10, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, open up your settings application. From there, navigate to storage. And in here where you see this device, you want to click on it, and this will give you the option for SD card. You want to select it and choose Files. Select Files once more. Once it opens up everything that is on the SD card, you want to click on this three-dot option right here and select Storage Settings, where you will find Format option. When you press on it, it gives you brief information that this SD card needs to be formatted to store apps for some reason, files and media, whatever. So it looks like the second message is more important. Formatting will erase all existing content on this SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So pretty explanatory. If you keep anything on this card that you like to, well, keep afterwards, do make a copy of it onto something else. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, select Format SD card. This will begin a process which only takes a couple seconds to finish up, and should be right about done. Now, there we go. So click on done, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.